Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn to fix your BT YouView box stuck on blue light. So here's a guide for your power on, boot and freeze troubleshooting. Fix 1. Validate the HDMI handshake. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the back of your TV box and your television panel. Switch the television source off and pull the physical power plug from the wall. Reinsert the HDMI cable tightly into a different port such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Verify the video source input matches your new connection point exactly using your TV remote. Check the remote control buttons to ensure none are physically stuck down, which can trigger a blue light lockout. Fix 2. Execute a soft reset hard loop. Press and hold the power button on the front or top panel of your physical box for 8 full seconds. Release the button once the indicator light array changes state or drops dark. Wait for the hello screen to display as the system refreshes its built-in memory registers. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the box to automatically download baseline background data streams. Fix 3. Trigger a maintenance mode reset. Turn off the power switch on the back panel of the box, then pull out the main power cable. Press and hold the Find Remote button on newer EE Box Pro models or down arrow button on older BT UV boxes on the side or top of the box. Plug the power cable back in while continuing to hold that physical recovery button. Press the main power button within 3 seconds of plugging it in until the brand logo flashes on your screen. Select Factory Reset, which keeps recordings, using the physical buttons to clear out corrupted startup cache loops without wiping your stored television shows. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.